Hi, this is Freddy over at Platinum Auto World, and today we're going to be taking a look at this truck that just came in. This right here is a 2005 year model Dodge Ram 2500. It is a 5.9 Cummins high output 4-speed automatic with 188,000 miles. We're going to go ahead and do a quick walk around and start the vehicle and show you guys what the interior looks like. This truck was just Virginia State inspected, so it's ready for the new owner. I can just find his keys. All right, there's no warning lights on the dash. All right. Seat works, goes up, goes down, the back goes down, the back goes up, goes back, and it goes forward. It comes with custom-made subwoofers. Do the other one a little bit. There's no blow by on it. Anyhow, I hope this video gives you a better idea of what this truck looks like in person. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 540-898-8300. If you have Facebook or Instagram, please feel free to follow us. Thank you for watching.